What's up, guys? Shirtman here. Welcome back to Shirtman World headquarters down here in lovely Southern Virginia. It's cold down here, man. I don't know. This cold weather's getting me. I don't like it. Anyway, so I wanted to share with you guys something that helped me out a lot when I first got started in this whole screen printing adventure, if you would. Something that's very important in this industry is your the choices that you make regarding your supplies, your equipment, and so forth. One thing that I can attest to you guys is choosing the right ink to work with. And fortunately for me, when I started out, I had some issues with some of these, some other brands of inks and things like that were really inconsistent at best. I had a lot of fibrillation issues. I had a lot of bad curing problems, and cracking and stuff like that. It just the inconsistency was horrible, and for some of these inks anyway. But I found a solution. Somebody told me about this company called One Stroke Inks, and I've been using them ever since. This is all I use in my shop, man. It really is. Love One Stroke Inks. Love the products that they put out. Love their customer service. Shout out to Megan if you're watching this. Anyway, I got some inks, I got some other supplies and stuff like that the other day, and I picked up something here that I want to try. I want to try out this 680 puff in white. So that's what I'm going to do today. Is I'm going to try out. Ooh, got some on my finger. I hope my fingers don't puff up. Anyway, so that's what I want to do today, man. I just want to try out this 680 puff and just see. I've never used puff ink before, so I've got rave reviews from it. I've heard it was great stuff, and so I ordered a sample. I got a sample of 680 white from the nice folks over at One Stroke. So I've got my screen burned and prepped and ready to go. So I'm gonna go over here and throw it on a shirt and see what all the buzz is about, So without further ado, let's go check it out. All right, y'all, so I got my 680 puff here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the cap off of it. It looks kind of creamy. I'm gonna, kind of a small container, I'm gonna give it a little stir real quick. That should do it. It's very creamy, man. Look at it. It's really, really clean. Creamy, whatever. Can't talk today, y'all. Anyway, let's I got my shirt warming up a little bit. Let's twist the shirt around here and slam this in the screen and print a shirt. What do you think? All right, so I got my shirt laid out here. I've got this really weird drippy smiley face thing that we'll put on the shirt. My first impressions of 680 puff, man, it's really creamy. Looks like it's going to be really easy to work with. This does call for anywhere between an 86 and a 110 screen. I do not have an 86 mesh. I don't have anything lower than a 110, so I am using a 110 mesh screen. I may, depending on the coverage, I may have to flash and hit it a second time, but it looks like it's a lot easier to handle than I thought it would be. It doesn't look that thick. It's pretty creamy, which is indicative of most of one-stroke inks, man. They're pretty easy to work with, pretty creamy. So let's get it done, man. Let's flood and pull it across the screen. Let's see what happens. That's one hit. I do want a little bit of a rise off the shirt when it puffs. So I'm gonna hit it a second time here. Make sure everything is clear. Everything is pretty clear. It does look like I could flash and hit it again. So let's flash it a little bit here. Let's give it a little flash. Flood my screen again. Hit it a couple more times. Maybe I can get a little bit more rise off of it. Alright. Alright, it's pretty tacky, not coming off on my finger, so let's hit it again. Put another layer on it. See what happens here. All right, look, I mean, it looks pretty good, man. It looks pretty opaque. Let me see, I don't know if you guys can see. Let's turn this around. See the opacity a little bit here. See if I can get a better angle. So it's pretty opaque, man. It really is. It's nice. I like it. So that being said, let's throw it in the dryer, see what puffs up. All right, we're coming out of the dryer. See if I see, it looks a little puffy already, man. Look at that. Not sure exactly how much puff I'm gonna get, but it's puffy, man. Look at it. It's awesome. Looks very nice so far. All right, guys, so here it is. There it is. It's awesome too, man. Look at it, man. Look at the height, man. I just hit that twice. Like just a regular print, flash print. If I'd hit it a couple more times, man, that would have been some amazing 3D stuff, man. Look at this. That is, I don't know if you guys can really get the majesty of this on the camera, but I mean, that's quite a bit of rise on that. You know, all in all, man, this 680 puff, it's, if you're looking for puff designs, if you're looking for something special effects, or just something that is kind of outside the norm, man, check them out. Check out One Stroke Inks. Check out some 680 puff. I'm gonna wear this shirt, man. I like it. It's really cool, and I look forward to using some 680 puff in the future. So shout out to all the folks over at One Stroke Inks, man. Shout out to all you guys. If you guys use puff ink, if you've used 680 puff before, all you screen printers out there, give me a little shout out in the comments, man. Let me know how it works out for you. If you have any tips, tricks, anything like that that you'd like to share, hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think of 680 puff, or puff ink in general, other special effects that you like, any of the other special effects from One Stroke that you guys like. Hit me up in the comments and let me know. But yeah, man, this 680 puff it's very easy to use. It's very, I mean, if I'd put this in an 86 mesh screen and hit it twice like this, I mean, it would have, like, wow. It would have jumped way up there. But that was a 110 screen. Guys, I appreciate it. I appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the little notification bell and let you know when I create new content. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. And get you some of this 680 puff, man. Get you some of it. It's good stuff. Very easy to use, very light and creamy. So yeah, get you some. Look them up. One Stroke Inks. Tell them Shirt Man sent you, baby. Peace. Later.